So today we're going to install the Kicker CSC65. I bought this from Crutchfield. It also comes with the Metro harness 72-7800. That's included with the kit, so it's free. So we're going to be installing these into our car. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is what you get inside the box: 2 speakers, and then 2 grills, the spade connector, some shrink tube, and screws. But that's pretty much all you need to install this or these speakers. Okay, so I took out the door panel and see a bunch of mess inside. Look at this. I already took out the speaker, but they literally just wrapped this wire around the terminal on this speaker. The speaker still works. It sounds great. And then on top of that, they cut out the housing bracket. I mean, they literally just trim out the entire thing. So this speaker doesn't fit. I mean, it fit, but look at where they screw the speaker in. I'm not sure you can see that hole. That's where they screw the freaking speaker in. I feel like the more I dig, the more surprised I find. They put a dynamat over the crossover. Just no need for this. Look at all this crap. Look how rusty that look. It's just a huge mess right now. So I'm gonna cut this wire, and then I'm gonna wire back the stock harness, and then just put this car back to what it was before. But this is just terrible. I feel sad. And then on top of that, they install aftermarket tweeter that barely fit. I took out the screw already, but it barely fit. Tweeter is broken. It doesn't work. I try to listen to it, and there's no sound coming out of it. Alright, so we are going to try to fix this, make it nice again, back to more OEM, and then we'll go from there. So I'm here at my local scrap yard, trying to look for the speaker housing bracket that the previous owner just really messed it up. So I'm just going around trying to find some maybe older Honda car that use similar housing bracket, and probably get that, and then the harness cable, and let's see what else do I need. I'm also missing a tweeter harness cable as well, so I'll be looking around for different Honda, and then hopefully they share similar parts. So let's go and take a look. Okay, look like I found like a 2000 to 2004 Honda Accord. The speaker housing look almost identical to the one on the S2000, so I'm gonna take this out, and probably gonna take this harness cable as well with me. Okay, so I got the housing bracket for the speaker, and then also the harness cable for the speaker. So I'm going to take this home and then wire it back to the S2000. That way we can have the stock harness with the bracket, so we can put the new speaker in correctly. Okay, let's see what we got today. From our scavenger hunt at the scrap yard, we got 2 housing bracket for the speaker. I also found a pair of tweeter from an older Accord that I think the plug should fit to the S2000, and then also the speaker harness should go back. I'm just trying to bring this car back to as OEM as possible. Okay, I just got done wiring the tweeter. The wire was really brittle, so I decided, so instead of soldering it, I went ahead and used some T-tap connector with a male spade connector. So I'm going to do now is connect it back. Alright, and then let's just test it out to make sure it still works. Okay, so I got the tweeter done, tested out, that's working. And then I installed the OEM harness back, so that's good to go. And then also the housing bracket. So what I'm going to do next is just install a speaker and call it a day. And then I'm going to do the other side. So I went ahead and connect the Metro harness. The spade connector is connected to the speaker terminal, and then the harness is connected to the OEM harness, and then all we have to do is just tuck all the wire back in, place the speaker, screw it in, and call it a day. Finally got both speakers installed. Now it looked a lot better than it was before. You know, stock housing fits perfectly on both sides. I tested out, the sounds a lot better, even though what I had before, the Polk Audio component speaker, they sound great, but there's just no high note. They're just mainly bass. These are really great. So I'm gonna put the door back, and then we'll call it a day.